Why should you focus on branding? Well, here are 5 stats that may change your mind. First, it increases business value. A recent study showed that strong brands can capture 3 times the sales volume of weak brands. Second, it attracts customers. Over 80% of shoppers prefer to buy from a brand they trust. There's greater customer recognition. A consistent brand presentation has shown to increase revenue by 33%. Fourth, there's greater customer loyalty. 97% of Americans are loyal to at least one brand. And last, it connects with customers emotionally. Customers prefer to recommend a brand that they connect to emotionally. I'm Lisa Perry, a 20-year brand marketing executive, and I work with companies when their sales start to fizzle by looking at consumer behaviors and trends coupled with data analytics to innovate their approach to marketing. Follow me for more tips and ideas, and check out my link for branding articles and books.